In my students, right here I will be recording a session on Microsoft Excel. First of all, I will show you where to find Excel. You need to open your your programs and type in Excel. Let's just wait a little while to open Excel, and let's see the first function. As you know, whenever you open Excel, you have um, options here. You can see you have blank book and you have all of these um, templates that you have. We will be working for this session, we will be working with a blank workbook. This is known as workbook. Excel is also known as spreadsheets. So whenever you hear the word spreadsheets or Excel or workbook, we're working with Excel. So let me open a blank workbook. As you can see, we have some formulas here. We will be working with home, insert, formulas, um, data, review, and view. Those are the options. Also, I forgot to mention page layout. Those are the functions that we will be working. We will be working with all the functions. This is also known as the ribbon. All of this here, where you see this box here, is known as the ribbon or menu bar. As you notice, in the menu bar, we have the address bar. This is the address bar. You have the formula bar, and you have something called cell. So notice this little box here is known as the cell. That is the cell of Excel. Here in the formula bar is where you will be entering formulas, as you know. And also you have something known as sheet. This is the name. This is sheets. You can rename that. That is the name of the sheet or that you will be working in. Now, as you know, students, we will working with sheets. We can rename that. You also have to remember that in a spreadsheet, we have something known as columns and rows. This is the column and this is rows right here. So we already know that this here is also known as row. Do this and row, and you have this known as columns in here. That is the basics of Excel. Uh, the next video you will note we will be working with simple functions and we'll start entering data in here.